From the CRM portal, click the Support Tickets tab in the navigation bar to access the ticket system. This is where you can view all of your support requests and create new ones. The ticket list shows all of your support requests in one table. Each row displays the ticket number, subject line, date it was created, when the last reply was sent, and the current status. Tickets are sorted with the newest ones at the top. Each ticket has a status badge that tells you where things stand. Open means your ticket is in the queue. Waiting on customer means the support team has replied and is waiting for your response. Actively working means the team is currently handling your request. And closed means the issue has been resolved. To create a new support request, click the New Ticket button in the top right corner of the ticket list. A form will appear where you can enter a subject line describing your issue and a description with all the details your support team needs to help you. Clicking a ticket number opens the full ticket detail view. At the top, you can see the ticket number, subject, status badge, and when it was opened. Below that is the full conversation history, showing replies from both you and the support team in chronological order. At the bottom of the ticket detail page, you will find the reply form. Type your message and click Send Reply to continue the conversation. Your reply is sent directly to the support team. For closed tickets, the reply form is replaced with a Reopen Ticket button if you need further assistance. And that covers the support ticket system in the Cloudspire CRM portal. You can view all your open and closed tickets, create new ones with the New Ticket button, and reply directly from the ticket detail page. That is all there is to it.